Hi, I'm Anusha. I make videos related to beauty and lifestyle. If this is something that interests you, please take a moment to click that subscribe button. I'll say the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Today I'm going to be sharing a haul, skincare, hair care haul with you all. I shopped some products from Nykaa Pink Sale and some from Amazon and some from Macaron and some from Style Dotty, but I have not received the products yet. But I'll just mention what the products that I have shopped. Honestly, I have not shopped like a lot of products. I just restocked upon my favorites and I tried like a very few new products. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. So the first one is from Rene. Actually, Rene has buy one get one free on Nykaa Pink Sale. So I bought these two products. Actually, I ordered for the pink perfume, but somehow they delivered me this yellow bottle. मुझे तो ये फ्रेग्रेंस उतना अच्छा भी नहीं लगा, so I don't know what to do with this. And coming to this one, it is not even working. Like I cannot even twist this up. I don't know. It's not going down. It's not coming up. So something is broken inside. So yeah, it's going. It's not coming up again. So yeah, that's with this one. So I exactly don't know what to do with this. I feel that I wasted my money on these two products. So yeah, I wasted my money on one more product. This is from K Beauty. It is matte drama matte lipstick in the shade, I think, Premier, in the shade Premier. Actually, I love this formulation from K Beauty. These lipsticks are very soft, very buttery, and they have like very good color payoff, and they make my lips look very beautiful. But somehow this shade, it did not suit my lips. It is too bright for my skin tone, and it is making me look very weird. So I am not using this lipstick. And if you know any tips on how to make lipsticks work that did not suit your skin tone, please let me know in the comment section, because I paid like around 700 or 800 for this lipstick. So yeah. And after that, I bought this BHA serum from Minimalist. Actually, I have used it in the past. It is one of my favorite BHA serums, and I restocked upon it. Yeah, this one, salicylic acid 2% face serum. This is a very good salicylic acid serum if you have oily skin, acne prone skin, if you frequently get clogged pores and breakouts. Definitely include this serum in your skincare routine. It shows very good results. It keeps your skin clean and it controls acne also. It controls your sebum also up to some extent. So a very good formulation from Minimalist. And one more product is their shampoo. This is one of my favorite shampoos. In the recent days, I'm enjoying this shampoo like anything. It is very mild but very effective. Makes my hair very soft, silky, and it is controlling my hair fall also. So if you are looking for a mild, effective kind of shampoo, then you can try this one. I am about to empty my old one. Like very little bit is left in that bottle, so I ordered one new bottle. And there is an offer on buy one get one on Nykaa, Nykaa Naturals or whatever the line is from Nykaa. So I ordered a scalp massager. This is very good product. I like it. I like it so much. The bristles are not too harsh, and it gives like a nice massage feeling. So I like it. And one more product is the hair. The microfiber hair towel that you tie after hair wash. It is still wet. Today I have used it, so I'll insert a clip of that somewhere here so you can check that out. So these are all the products that I got from Nykaa. And I got this product, put simply water damp moisturizer, from Amazon, I think. Yeah, about 2 months ago I think I got this product. And this is not a very lightweight moisturizer, not a heavy moisturizer. It falls somewhere in between. The ingredients are good. It has niacinamide also. I think if you have combination skin, this moisturizer works perfectly for you. Combination or dry skin. But if you have oily skin, this you won't like this product. It will feel a little heavy on your skin. So yeah, that's with the Put Simply moisturizer. And one more thing is this face skin face mop. I bought this on Amazon. The thing with this is it is a very good product, but the packaging is a little messy one. My tube always like leaks from somewhere. It is not a huge leak, but I can like yeah, now it's clean. So yeah, the packaging is a little messy, I feel. Otherwise, it is a very good product in itself. The ingredients are good, the texture is good, it works very well on my skin, it makes my skin very clean, soft. So, yeah, a very good formulation and product from Fab Face Skin. And yeah, and I got one more product. This is Aquaporin Booster 5%. I keep on repurchasing this product. This is my favorite cleanser from Minimalist. And this is one of my favorite cleansers. If I have to pick like very few cleansers, then I would pick this. This is my favorite cleanser all time. Since the time it launched, I have repurchased many tubes of this product. So yeah, that's with the Minimalist. It is very hydrating, non-stripping, at it cleanses effectively kind of cleanser. So yeah, if you are looking for one gel based cleanser, you can definitely give this one a try. So yeah, and I ordered the Numbuzin number 3 serum from Macaroon. It is a very famous product in Korea, and it is trending. So if you see like the top Korean skincare products, then you might have seen people talking about this product. It is supposed to give you like a nice glow, and uh, it helps in reducing dark spots also. So I ordered it today. I have to receive the product, but due to some delay, I'll be receiving the product tomorrow. So if by the time I edit this video I received it, I'll insert the clip of the product somewhere here. And from Style.yeah, I ordered two more products. Those are Doctor's Cellure or something like that. It's the vegan kombucha tea essence. It is also a very famous and very trending kind of product. And the other one is the Skin 104 sunscreen. It is also a very famous Korean sunscreen. So I ordered those products, but I'll do like a separate video on where I shop international skincare products, and my reviews of the products and everything. I'll include all those details in a separate video. Yeah, but for now these are the things that I purchased in like I think last 2 months or last 3 months. So yeah, um, yeah, that's it. So it's like a very small haul. So I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.